Hi, welcome to Canine Angels Rescue. We are a 501c3 nonprofit organization dedicated to saving homeless, abused, neglected, stray dogs in and around the city of Houston. We are not picky of the breed, the age, the size, the circumstance. We do whatever we can to help save these dogs and adopt them into loving forever homes. We are a 100% volunteer organization, so not one person compensated for the time the services they dedicate to our work.
Hi, welcome to our adoption center. Since our beginning in 2012, we've adopted out almost 700 dogs. We pull our dogs from local shelters in and around the city of Houston. Once we take a dog into our program, we do everything, we do all of its vetting, completely vet it by getting it current on all its shots, a microchip, a heartworm treatment, and most importantly, we spay and neuter every dog that before it goes to its forever home. The city of Houston has a terrible overpopulation problem of dogs and cats, and we want to do everything to help alleviate that problem.
You're probably wondering where the dogs go during the week before they get adopted. Most of the dogs go to foster homes so we can learn more about their personality and behavior skills at home. I'm a foster too myself, and I love doing it so they don't have to go to the kennels during the week.
I'm a foster too, and on the weekends the dogs come back to the adoption center where the public can come and look at the animals to see if they're interested in them. If they don't have a foster during the week, they go to a local kennel.
Hi, I'm R.D. Kisling, the board president for Canine Angels, and this is my helper Lindsay. And we're very proud of our new adoption center here at 2125 West Alabama. You can see we've done a ton of work. We probably had 200 or 300 volunteer hours of work put into this place, painting, fixing the doors, fixing the rooms up, getting ready for adoptions, where we started here in about July. I think we're one of the few dog adoption groups that runs a center like this where dogs are able to run free and relax and play in the rooms as opposed to being crated all day. We've got a great play yard out back I'll take you to. But just say how proud we are of the center, but there's some things we would like to do elsewise. And if we could have a reduce your use for good grant from Direct Energy, there are several things like putting window films on some of our east and west facing windows where we get a lot of heat coming in, some more efficient lighting in the house, maybe a clothesline out back for drying the many towels we use every day. Things like that would just help reduce our energy consumption would be great for us. This is one of the greatest things on our new adoption center, this fantastic backyard. We've put in a large fence so it's totally dog secure. We've got this wonderful old oak tree to provide shade. It's just pleasant out here. The dogs can run and play. We cycle the dogs from the house out to the backyard. Everybody gets a chance to run around and be outside and have a good time. One of the things we'd really like to do if we could get the Reduce Your Use for Good grant from Direct Energy would be to do a few more things to our adoption center to help us reduce our energy consumption, because as a nonprofit organization, we're always looking to save costs. Things like getting our HVAC tuned up to save money on that, more energy efficient lighting in the center, some window film for the east and west facing windows where we get a lot of heat coming into the building. All those things would be great for us to help us save money and reduce our costs and spend more money working with the dogs. Thanks.
What? She's gotta find her phone.
Come on, y'all go right in here.
This space would make more sense.
Yeah,
No,